Y'all, she is so cute. This unit is a light Yaki human hair 10-inch bob from Amazon. It does not get any better than
weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle and I am back with another sleigh for you guys. So today's video is sponsored by YASGRL. They were nice enough to send me this cute bob, you guys, and I cannot wait to get into all the details and share with you guys all the nitty gritty and what I think about this unit. So before we even jump into all of those details, please make sure that you are subscribed to Simply Krystle. I would love to have you a part of the family. And if you are loving all of this content, be sure to hit that like button and let me know what you guys are thinking about this look down in the comments. Y'all know I love to talk to y'all. Now let's go ahead and get into this.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Maybe a break, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
So now you guys have seen me quickly install this unit because it was so simple to install. Let's go ahead and talk about a few of the specs, the pros and the cons. So if you're interested in those things, please continue to watch. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the cons and then we'll go right into the pros. To be quite honest with you guys, I don't really have any cons about this unit. The unit shed very, very minimally. Here's my comb to show how much hair I combed whenever I installed the unit. Very little shedding, and wigs are going to shed no matter how high quality it is or low quality it is. you're gonna have some shedding. Now, you may have more shedding with certain units than others, but this one is very, very minimal. I did comb it after I cut the lace up here, so it may not even be true shedding. But y'all, I am so in love with this unit, especially because of how it's constructed. You're gonna get that C-shaped side part over here. So you're not even going to have to deal with a lot of lace, which is perfect for the summertime. So you get this C-shaped side part over here. It's a left side part unit. You're not going to be able to switch it around, or your bob is going to be looking some kind of way. You're going to get the comb, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, the adjustable straps, along with that elastic band so you can wear her glueless, y'all. Yes, you can wear her glueless. I did enlist the help of my Eben Wonder Lace Spray. I used the red bottle because it is hot out here in Texas, and this is the active. So I just went ahead and enlisted the help of that. Sprayed it along the hairline as you guys saw when I installed it. And here she is in all of her glory. It is big head friendly. It is beginner friendly. And it has like this beautiful density where it's looking kind of thick, because YASGRL has come out with this beautiful texture with their hairline, and it is called this light Yaki. It almost feels like a perfect medium between the silky and the kinky straight. Y'all, the texture is everything. It's not too hot. This is perfect for me to throw on, even in this 100-degree Texas heat. I am 5'6", and this is where the bob is hitting on me. So your height will make a difference in the bob. If you're shorter, it's gonna feel a little bit longer. If you're taller, it's gonna come up a little bit and feel a little bit shorter. So be mindful of that when you are picking her up. The best part of this unit is that you can pick her up on Amazon, okay? Pick her up on Amazon Prime and have her to your door in a couple of days, sometimes next day delivery. I absolutely love this company, love how easy their units are to install, and the quality is always top tier. I can pick this up on Amazon, add to cart, and have her by next day. And that depends on your address, depending on where you're at. It may take a few more days, but no longer than a week, you should have your YASGRL wig. So you guys, overall, I give her a complete 10. Perfect unit for all seasons, but especially great for when it is hot and you just need something easy to throw on and go. You can wear her glueless. You can add some hairspray, some mousse, whatever you would like. And ta-da, you have got a banging bomb. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I loved putting this together for y'all. I love bringing you guys cute units that are big head friendly and beginner friendly and just easy to throw on, especially in these warm months. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are thinking about this unit and if you're going to be picking her up. I will put all the details of this unit in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let